Hello, it's Tina and I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit more about wearing synthetic hair, how to care for it, what are the benefits, and if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational and informational videos about hair replacement. So let's jump right in and get started. So again, we're talking about synthetic hair today, and you'll see me demoing these 2 hair units. Well, actually you'll see 4 altogether in this video, and I'm going to just show you a little bit about what synthetic hair looks like, feels like, because I feel like there are a lot of myths and misinformation out there about synthetic hair fibers and textures where it relates to wigs, hair units, hair pieces, toupees, everything in the gamut. So today I am styling these units that I created. Now this is synthetic hair. It's called premium mix is the type of synthetic hair, which basically means that it's a mix of premium synthetic fibers that are human hair like, meaning you can shampoo them, you can add heat if necessary. Now I'm specifically using hair textures that have curl patterns because I want to demonstrate to you how easy it is to manage hair, synthetic hair that already has a style. So I'm one of those people that if you're not someone who is going to want to do a lot of curling and styling with your hair, you're going to want to pick hair accessories in the form of wigs and toupees and hair units. You're going to want something that's very low maintenance, meaning you don't have to use hot irons, you don't have to straighten it, you don't have to curl it, you don't have to add a lot of products in order for it to look nice. You're not going to want something that does not look natural to wear to try to blend in with your hair, because the goal of wearing accessories like toupees and hair units is to blend in with your natural hair, and you want it to look as natural and realistic and be undetectable. You don't want something that is obviously a different texture than your natural hair. That's if you're going to wear a partial unit. You want the hair on the unit to blend in seamlessly with your natural hair, and you don't always get that with synthetics. So that's why it can be kind of tricky. But again, the benefits to wearing synthetic hair is that you don't have to have a lot of time to invest in a lot of styling and a lot of, maintenance. You don't have to worry about the weather. You don't have to worry about, being in certain climates. You don't have to worry about your curls going anywhere. These curls are locked in forever, not going anywhere. As you can see with this particular hair unit, you also can choose from a variety of colors. So this is a mix of 2 different colors that I put together, 2 different curl patterns, 2 different colors. And the reason I do this is to play around with the texture, because I love combining different curl patterns with the synthetic hair to just see how it will turn out. And the colors that I mix together also accentuates the style. And as you can see so far on all the styles that I have demonstrated thus far, the hair looks like human hair. The texture is very similar to what a normal or natural hair texture would be, and that's why I love the premium synthetic fibers in the synthetic hair, because it blends in seamlessly. It's low maintenance. It looks very natural. The curls are there forever. The only way these curls can be removed is if you take a hot iron and you run it through the hair strand, which it won't completely pull all the curls out, but it will change the curl pattern in the hair units. So this is the second one with the synthetic curly colored hair that I use, and these are different. This is a different pattern of curl than the first one or the one behind this one. This one has a tighter, curlier curl. As you can see, there are more curls, but I just love the way you can have that immediate volume if you play around with it and pick it out with your fingers, or if you don't want as much volume, you can style it so that it's not as full. But it would blend so seamless with natural hair, and offer, some style because of the color and the curl pattern. And it's so easy to maintain. You can shampoo it and let it air dry. You don't need to recurl it. You can care for this unit. If you care for this unit properly, these units will last you over a year. I have clients who are still wearing their hair units today from 2 years ago. So I hope you found this video beneficial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Believe in Beauty channel and join me for our next adventure. So talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.